thing just like kind of sitting here. I think 3-day cloud. Yeah. So it's like still holding the 3-day Tenkan, right? If it starts to like, there's a lot of wicks here, but it's like if this has the ability to overpower sellers, then you start to get a pretty impulsive move. Like you came into a 61.8 off of like essentially this was your big impulse up to high, almost 16, 15 cents. You didn't take this one. Broke above this prior high, consolidated, and that's where the move happened, right? So
how do you draw that fib? Are you doing it from the top of the wick to what exactly?
So this is this wick down and the starting point of I didn't do it here. I did it here because this is like the big impulse candle above the prior high. So you can, in
Alpha
theory,
week.
also do you could also do here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you're going to be adjusting to, all right, price can come down into 7 cents. And that is this consolidation and those highs and the prior high. Because you had this consolidation, that's why I took the fib from there. Because you shouldn't if this is what's going to happen and where it's going to go, like I don't think you should come back down to here necessarily. Could be wrong, like totally could be wrong. If you look at the daily, based on that and the trending indicators, like I was buying like here, and that was because this is the daily Kijun, right? Like this is your trend, right?
You use standard Ichimoku settings?
Uh,
Defaults?
yeah, or no, it's particular to this, and I'll share it. I don't know. Zorn is the itchy guy, and I think it's the same as like what the Josh guy does. So this is the input. Yeah, these are the inputs on it.
Okay, cool.
That he uses. So back to this here. Yeah, it was like this is your trend. This was a fib. And look where price went, like 0.09, call it. Let's just say there, almost your 61.8. It's like, okay, like that makes sense. Is this, like a flag structure? I don't know. It's getting a little messy, but you're still holding trend on this, and you've been holding it for a while. And these are starting to squeeze here, which is also interesting. So,
Do you use the lagging span as well?
What's that?
Is that the one?
The Chiku, like all the other components to this thing?
The one that's to the left, the thin.
This?
The further left, the one that's to the left of the peak. Yeah, that one.
This one?
Is that not the lagging span?
Yeah, which is like if price is above it, I think is the rule.
I know a lot of people turn that off, so I'm interested if you actually read it.
I don't even actually use it, but they're
okay.
Zorn's the guy like who knows all this stuff. Again, I simplify things, and I just like if you were like, cool, we just traded above the Kijun at 4 cents, and you kept buying like retracements, then you're great, nice trade, and you broke above this prior high. Like there's a lot of components to this thing that I don't use that I probably should learn more about because we basically built a trading course on this, but his was more Ichimoku and I was doing most of the liquidity theory and range stuff. But